Secretary, on the part of the traders, they are warning that vegetable prices in Metro Manila could increase if deliveries do decline from the provinces. As early as now, which agricultural products do you see are already encountering price increases?
Ang tumaas na monitor ko is carrots, no? From 120, may naging 160 ngayon, meron places na 200. So ang ginawa namin ay authorize ako ng importation of only 20 containers, no, of carrots just to address certain markets na nagra-run away yung price, no. So basically this is like a targeted intervention lang naman, that it should not affect the farmers.
Oh,
Carrots.
baka that will... Why do you say that? If we have to
Well,
import.
Hindi,
But means
recently,
there's not enough supply from our local growers?
Based on our study, by usual May, June, and July, kulang na yung supply. It's not part of the carrot season. So unfortunately, ngayon parang maaga nga eh. Kaya may spike eh. So parang yes, baka may kulang. So that's why we are intervening parang to stabilize prices. Kasi ang main objective natin ngayon with all of these things happening, we have to keep as much as possible prices at this level, ano?